REMEX, working for the future. Zentraldeponie Hubbelrath Landfill. Landfills today. Construction and management. Since the early 1970s, the landfill Zentraldeponie Hubbelrath has been an important part of the waste disposal infrastructure for Düsseldorf and the surrounding region. The landfill was initially set up by the state capital of Düsseldorf and has been operated by AWISTA since 2003. Since 1994, management of the landfill has been the responsibility of Zentraldeponie Hubbelrath, a joint company of AWISTA and REMEX. The landfill is approved for the disposal of inert waste of landfill Class 2. Approximately 180,000 tonnes of waste are deposited at the Hubbelrath landfill site each year. The processes and the requirements of the permit, and of course the German Landfill Directive, must be adhered to by the landfill operator. Only waste that complies with the corresponding classification criteria and pollutant limited values may be landfilled. The disposal processes are documented in great detail. For this purpose, for example, the entire landfill section is divided into a grid, with subsection areas no larger than 2,500 square meters. This ensures the traceability of individual waste deposits, in which quantities, when, and in what section. In order to minimize the environmental impact of the landfill, numerous measures are being taken to prevent emissions. This includes the watering of access roads. The fundamental elements of landfill management comprise measures regulated within the Landfill Directive for the construction, operation, closure, and aftercare of a landfill. Consequently, corresponding landfill construction measures are carried out during regular landfill operation, or for example, in the context of landfill expansion. A landfill is a complex technical structure that ensures the safe disposal of waste. This is one of the reasons why the requirements for sealing systems are very precisely defined. For example, at a Class 2 landfill, the mineral sealing has to be constructed with a permeability coefficient K less than 10 to the power of -9 meters per second. Various building materials are required for construction activities on landfills. As a rule, mineral waste that meets the conditions of the Landfill Directive can be used as substitute landfill construction material. This applies, for example, to tar-contaminated road rubble, which is utilized at the Hubbelrath landfill site as a mineral drainage layer in a grain size range of 8 to 32 millimeters. The sealing system seen here under construction consists of a mineral sealing in the form of 3 layers of clay with a thickness of 75 centimeters and a synthetic sealing membrane with a thickness of at least 2.5 millimeters. This is followed by a protective sheet on which the 50 centimeter thick surface filter is then placed. In a modern industrialized society, many millions of tons of mineral waste are generated every year. The requirements to avoid waste and to improve recycling processes and quotas will reduce these volumes partially, but not completely. For this reason, landfills will continue to provide an essential element of public services for a functioning infrastructure.